www.gibsonTruckworld. Calm 2008 Chevy 3500 Crew Cab Long Bed Duramax Diesel 4-wheel drive still under factory warranty, riding on 4 brand new tires. With CD player, tilt steering, power door locks, towing package and gooseneck hitch. Drive in today and find out for yourself what everyone else already knows. With over $7 million in inventory, Gibson Truck World is the largest, most reputable used truck dealer in the Southeast. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we